It was supposed to be the trip of a lifetime. It turned into a holiday from hell. Gaze in horror upon the bizarre creatures of the night. This is the vacation to end all vacations. You won't be able to leave. Will anyone hear you scream? There's loads of excitement. But be sure not to lose your head. Have your friends for dinner. Literally. So, if you feel the life being sucked out of you, it's time for a vampiric vacation.